Let's check out Filmora RGB Curve feature. Select video clip. Here on toolbar, too many other tools will appear, and this is advanced color tool icon. Select color correction and here click at adjustment tab. Scroll down and here Filmora new RGB curve feature, now available in Filmora 11.6. This is professional tool and very handy and easy to use. You can adjust darkness and whiteness here. This is reset icon. And this is delete. This point is for increasing or decreasing the whiteness. If you drag it left side, you get more whiteness or brightness, and if you take it down, it will remove whiteness or brightness. This point will increase or decrease shadows and black color or black points. Let's do some exercise in this video. Right click, color correction or Ctrl+Shift+C, click adjustment, scroll down. In this video I want to add more red color or reddish tone. Here click at red icon. Now I will drag this point left side. Did you see footage get red color? Reset it. Let's do it again. Let's enable split view. Now again drag this point left side. See before and after color. Adding some amount of white. And also try to add S curve. See our next example. Select video clip, right click, color correction, adjustment tab, scroll down. In this video footage, I want to increase blue color to make sky more prominent. Click at blue icon and click and hold to this point and drag left side. See footage became blue. Now add some amount of red and also green. Let's view in a split view. Here you can save as custom preset. Click, give any name you want. And click add preset. Click add all preset, select custom, and here it our preset. Let's try our preset. First click add reset all, and now click add thumbnail to apply color preset. I hope you like it. Please thumbs up. Thank you.